All right, so I've seen on YouTube that some riders are replacing the nylon, or I'm sorry, on the bike itself, it's a metal bolt on the front fork that kind of protrudes a little bit and might actually uh, get get hit by a rock or something like that, which could damage the fork because it's metal. So some riders are replacing it with this nylon bolt. So on Amazon, I have this bag here of 50 bolts. These are Phillips head, number 2 Phillips head screws. Well, I mean, they're bolts, but they got a screw head basically. So basically the tools you're gonna need are number head, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a ratchet, and on my bike I have an 8mm bolt that's holding on that's on the bike. Other bikes look like they use a Torx wrench, I believe. So what I'm going to do is, I've been trying to keep track of the weights of everything I'm adding to the bike. So there's 50 in this bag. And being an engineer, I'm going to have to verify that there's actually 50 in this bag. So I'm going to actually count them. But weighing one of them is going to be difficult. So I'm just going to weigh this whole bag. And let's see what that comes out to. Make sure we're at 0. Not quite. There we go. So this whole bag weighs about 20 grams. So each one of these weighs about 2/5 of a gram, which is not a lot of weight. I'm gonna weigh the bolts that I take off. I think the weight's gonna be negligible. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but anyway, let me count these and see what I come up with. Okay, so there's exactly 50 in the bag. So each one of these weighs 2/5 of 1 gram. Being that the bike is, I know I'm switching units here, but the bike itself is 450 pounds, which is, I'll tell you how many grams that is in a second. That's 203,850 grams. I don't think that 2/5 of a gram is going to make a difference. Anyway, I get these back in the bag and we'll go outside and put it on. All right, so there's the bolt right here. So as you can see, it's right on the edge here. So if a rock hits it, it can actually shear it off, which can damage our fork. So I'd rather put a nylon bolt on here to hold on this plastic piece and have the nylon bolt break than have this whole thing get damaged here. Now, I was watching one of Swanky Cat's videos, and he replaced this one as well. It's less likely that this one's going to get damaged, but I'm going to follow suit and replace that one. And I'm going to look over here, see if there's any on this side. Yes, there's one right here, and there's one right here. So I'm going to replace all 4 of these. And look at that, I broke the head off. So I tightened this up way too much and I just broke the head off of it. So that's why these are 10 bucks for 50 of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to extract this. Lucky that sticks out far enough to where I can do that. Go grab a wrench. All right. Take a look at that. Pop the head right off. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to put another one in, but I'm only going to replace the one for now. I want to see how this lasts. I guess there's a reason why these are 50 for only 10. I suppose this is cheaper than replacing the fork, but let me get this a little tight. There we go. This one doesn't seem to want to go back in. There we go. I think I got it now. Yep, now it's going in. All right, and that's it to installing these nylon bolts. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy some better quality ones. So there might be a subsequent video to this one. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell notification icon.